Hello lovely viewer, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn amazing diamond jewelry illustration. So guys, to begin with this video, you can see I have made the design using a white pencil over the black chart paper. Guys, this black paper is from the Brusto range and this pencil is from the Polychromo. Guys, you can use any white pencil to draw the basic sketch over the chart paper. Guys, the reason I am using the black paper because the white paper stand out well over the black paper. So guys, the basic point which you need is a white color. You can take poster color or even watercolor, but I would recommend it poster color or even acrylic color, which would be little thicker and you get the maximum of the white intensity. Now this technique is one of the easiest way of showing heavy chunky diamond jewelry. You can either fill in the space with white completely like how I am doing here, or you can simply put little white detail over the black base. So we need few colors like white, shame gray, shade and black to show the shine of the diamond. So this is what we have to show here, and already our base is black. So additionally, we don't need to use any extra black paint, but if needed we can do the later. So you guys keep watching the video till the end and you will see that how easy this technique is, and you can try it out within very basic few mediums. Now I have tried it over a black paper. In case you don't have a black paper, you can do the same over a white paper. And guys, trying using a detail brush and keep watching the video till the end, find out the whole look and do try them to practice them, and you can share your artwork with me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, and do use the hashtag KRISRA Fit Art Studio so that can I find out all the work under the hashtag. And guys, if you have any query, any doubts in your mind related to this jewelry, so drop your message in your comment box. I will be reply as soon as possible. Here I am giving a shiny look, and here is a complete look, guys. And give your feedback and suggestion in your comment box below. And if you are new in this channel, for don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon and keep supporting to me. Thank you so much to watching the full video.